Hello everyone. This is going to be the first lesson of MS Excel in mastering Excel data analytics. So let me start with how you open Excel. Okay, so click on search, type Excel. You have the Excel app. Click this. Once it loads, click on blank workbook. Let me expand this. So clicking on the square, it makes it small. Clicking on it back again, it expands. And if I'm going to click on minimize, it will come down. And if I'm going to, I can open it and I can close it as well, like this. So each Excel like this, it is called a workbook. Okay, and you have many sheets inside it. So automatically by default, you have a sheet which is called sheet 1. Sheet is it's like you have a normal book and inside the book you have the pages. So each page is called a sheet. If I click on plus, I get a new sheet. Again, I click on plus, another sheet comes. The same way you can keep adding the sheet. If you want to rename a sheet, just right click on the sheet, click on rename. Here you can rename it to anything. So let's say I want to make it as ABC. I can rename sheet 2 as 1, 2, 3. Anything, that's fine. Sheet 3, suppose let's say I added by mistake, then I can right click, click on delete. It goes. I can also add colors to the sheet by selecting tab color. So let's say I make a tab color yellow over here. Here I make a tab color of red. So these tab colors, it helps in identification. Now any Excel sheet, it is made of these rectangle boxes, which is called cell. And these are called rows. The horizontal identification is called row, and rows are numbered. It is numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you select this, it is coming as number. And columns come by alphabet names. Columns come by alphabet names. They are marked as alphabet names as A, D, G, H, like this, and so on and so forth. So every cell, it has got its address. That is called cell reference. Just like how we have our own house address, which is like an identification of where we are. Same way, every cell has its own address. For example, let's say this color, let me color it in blue and show. It comes under column A and row number 3. So the cell reference comes as A3. Let me color this cell with a different light color. So first give the column name. So it comes under column E, row number 5. So the cell reference is E5. Any cell reference, suppose if you're not able to identify, in the left side corner, you have the cell reference that comes automatically. That also helps in identification of the cell. Now, anytime, whenever you're going to start entering a data, it is very important that you give a heading. So the heading can be like this: serial number. So what I'll do is I'll take in a small sample and let's use it as a assignment as well. So this is going to be the assignment following along with the lesson concepts. So what I'll do is I'll close this Excel sheet. I do not want to save this. I'll open a new Excel. And through the assignment, let's practice the concept. So I'm going to bring this to one corner of the page. And I have the photo over here. This is the photo which we are going to do the data entry on. This is a mark sheet. So the column name, I'm just rearranging in such a way that I'm able to see the photo. Okay, so on the top, I'm going to give the heading as class 12. Then I'm going to start the column names. Or you can also skip this portion and start straight away with column name. Roll number, name, accountancy, English, maths, and then economics. And the last subject is going to be business studies. Now, suppose by mistake you have shifted a column over here and you are not able to, remove or edit. Then just select this, right click and click on delete. There has been a spelling mistake here. Business studies. Okay. So after this, you have to start typing. So roll number, it's 1 to 15. You needn't type all the roll numbers. Just type the first two numbers. Select it, drag and drop till you see number 15. On the right side, you have a small square. So until you see 15, just drag and drop. Then start typing the names. Akhilesh, 97, 36, 47, 13, 34. Same way, you can go to the next line. Ruchi, 69, 85, 86, 51, and 53. Okay, you can type it like this. Then what you can do is fill up the rest of the data. Now you can see that I've completed entering the data. So after this, what we're going to do is we're going to do a little sorting based on the name column. Okay, so select this table. Let me expand this to show clearly. Yeah, select the table under Home tab. Go to sort and filter. Click on custom sort. After clicking on custom sort by name. And under order, it is A to Z. Say OK. Automatically, then it gets sorted according to the name column. And the rest of the data applies. After this, what you can do, if you want, you can add colors like this. If you want to give borders to the table, select the whole table. Under this, click on all borders. So this makes your table look a little neat and nice. After this, let's practice one more. Let's say you want to do a multiplication table. So for this, please use another sheet. Multiplication table. Let's say I want to give it multiplication table of 10. So I'm going to do 10, 20, and that's it. I'm going to type only the first two numbers, and then after that, I will just drag and drop. So practice until at least 20 numbers minimum, but you can add more if you want to. Okay, but minimum 20 display of numbers must be there for practice. Now, if you want, you can rename these sheets. Like, since this is going to be mark sheet, it's like a mark sheet. So you can change it as mark sheet, and this you can rename as multiplication table. If you want to give colors, please give it, no problem. So once you practice this assignment, please save it, file, save as. Okay, choose your folder. Please maintain all these in a very designated folder, but I'm going to save it under my name, Akshaya underscore assignment 1. And then I click on save and it is done. Okay. So what did we learn? We learned how to open Excel sheet, what is a workbook, what is a sheet, how to add sheets, delete it, change the name of the sheet color, rows, columns, cell reference. After that, we started with the data entry like this, giving it a heading, then doing the data entry. Then we sorted according to the name column, giving color, little bit of border work, and we learned a magic trick of drag and drop. This helps to save time. So thank you all so much, and excited to see your practice assignments. Thank you, bye-bye.